Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Donnie, and today I just wanted to show you something absolutely cool that the seller on Amazon sent to me. This is a tilt table so that you can diamond paint in bed or on the couch or in a chair, basically anywhere. And I wanted to show you some of the features that I think that are absolutely just neat, because you can see here on the top it has a lip here and it has a lip here, so you could either, depending on which side of the bed you're on, because a lot of the times when you have one of these, you can only use it on one side of the bed or the other because of where they have this. Well, with this one, you could either have it where this goes underneath your bed on the right hand side, well, depending on where your head is. Anyway, one side or the other, and if you turn it around this side, it could go the other side. And you can see it's tilted. You can adjust there's things underneath so you can adjust it. So both this side adjusts and this will adjust. And so like my diamond painting I have is really large, so I'm just gonna pop this out. It's not easy to do with just one hand, but you can pull these back out and then something larger can fit on here. So let me grab my extremely large diamond painting I'm working on and prop it up here. Oh, there goes my cover minder. Alright, because I like to work at an angle, so now I have it tilted, but I can even tilt it even more. And if I had a smaller one, I could just tilt this side and leave this side flat, but because this is a large, this diamond painting is on an A2 light pad. So yeah, one-handed is kind of hard here. All right, so there we go. So I have both pieces of the table tilted, and I have my light pad, so I'm able to work on it in bed, take it into the bedroom. And the neat thing, okay, here's another neat thing that I've never seen on one of these tables before. So it's so that this piece can go underneath the bed, but sometimes, like if you're sitting on the couch, this doesn't actually work very well unless you stick it under the ends of the couch. But if you want to stick it in front of the couch, you can do that, because look here what this does. Oops. You can do it like this. So look at that. So if you're wanting, yeah, you'll need to stick it under right away, because something like this is really heavy and it's making it fall. But the legs can now go underneath the couch, and then you tilt this the other direction, the way I had it before, and you can actually diamond paint with a tilt on the couch. So just imagine this with the tilt the other. Maybe I can get my helper in here so we can show you exactly how that will work. Go ahead and just push these down, push it down, yep, tilt it all the way so it's at a tilt. Keep tilting, push down, keep pushing down. There you go. That's a little too tilted. If we want to play some music, that would work. But so I would put this back on down here, and I would take this one off up here, take that one off, and then this is on here. There we go. A little too much of a tilt. Then we stick our diamond painting back on here. I got it. There we go. And see how I have the legs this direction? Whoop. And I could just stick that underneath the couch, pretend I'm on the couch, which I'm not, and it would slide all the way up to the edge of the couch where you're at. But, you know, if you want to sit on it cross-legged or whatever, you'd have it right up close to you. And super convenient. So I will link this down below in the description box. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think down below in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and hit the bell for notifications so that you can be notified when I post new videos just like this one. Hope you enjoyed, and I will also link this diamond painting. It comes from Diamond Art Club. I will link it down below as well. Hope you have a wonderful week. Thanks for watching. Take care, and don't forget to always sparkle wherever you go and whatever you do. Bye.